Hello all, today in this video we are going to provide a demo for fake news detection with support vector mission. Already with the same code we have worked with the random forest, and in this demo we are going to work with support vector mission. The data set we downloaded from Kaggle. You can just give us fake news detection with the Kaggle and you will just find the link of it. So initially we are just importing all the libraries which we are needed, and then we are just calling our data. Our data is having two CSV files, that is the fake CSV file and also the true CSV file. Then we in the while before we are moving to the work, we will just merge it, and you can see the entries of the fake CSV file and also the true CSV file. And also we have displayed its size. Then we are just making to we in the last we will just make an manual testing. For that we are just making removing the last 10 columns of both the true data and fake data, and then we will just make it in another CSV file which will have nearly 20 entries. For the for 10 is from fake entry and 10 is from true entry. This is the CSV file which we have created. Now we are going to merge our data, that is true and fake. So this is the class we have got. Here you can notice that that entries we have got like the columns like title, text, subject, date and class. Here we does the need only this text and class. Other things we don't need it. So we are just getting the columns, and the other columns which we are not needed we are just dropping it, and after that we are getting the null entries, whether our data set is having any null data. If it is having null data means we have to work with some pre-processing techniques, but since it's not having, then we are moving to shuffling of data. Since here you can notice that this is our merge data, here it is just having the classes in it's not shuffled, right? So to make shuffle we are just moving with the shuffling process. Here you can notice the output as it is having text and class, and the class is also like shuffled like 1 0 etc. Then we are just getting the, here it is having the index value, it is also shuffled. So to make it normal, we are then moving to reset index, and then it is reset now, resetted. Now you can notice that it has started from 0 and it will be in sequential order. Then we are moving to pre-process, because though our data is not having any null data, it may have some punctuation marks, some other text, right? So to in order to remove that, we are moving to pre-processing, and then we are determining the x variable and y variable. X variable it consists of the text, and the y variable it is having the class. After the determination of x variable and y variable, we are just determining x train, x test, y train and y test value by using this x variable and y variable, and the test size we have given as 20%, that is 0.2. 20% will be taken for testing and remaining 80% will be taken for training. And after that we have to convert the text to vector. Only this text variable is in text, a class is in numerical variable, right? So this text only we are moving with the TF-idf vectorizer to convert it to vector. Then the as for, so we are calling the x train and then x test. The test previously we have worked with the random forest and we have got an accuracy of 0.99. Now within this code we are going to work with support vector mission. For that we are importing the library, and then we are calling the library of support vector mission within an variable. By using this variable we are performing training by using the fit function and testing by using the predict function, and we are declaring the confusion matrix and also the classification report parameters like precision, recall, F1 score and support. For this also we have got an accuracy of 0.99. Then I said that we will be working with model testing. For that we are making and definition, two definitions like output label and also manual testing. So with output label, we are just making it whether it is determining fake news or not. Then with the manual testing, we are making to output whether it is an fake news or an true news. So here we this data I manually entered here just by copying from the CSV file, and then it gave an output of fake news, because first I gave the fake news only. The next demo we will be working with some other file. At that time we may work with the true news, and we will just show you whether how it is determining. Then we have made an comparison of the support vector mission and random forest by using a loop. So in that we are displaying the accuracy of the random forest and the support vector mission in an single cell. Here you can notice the training accuracy of random forest is 100 and testing accuracy is an 98.87 only, but when compared to support vector mission it is high. So in the next video, we will be working with some other machine learning algorithm, and we will also make a comparison regarding all the three algorithms. Thank you.